Hi, everybody. I've gotten a couple questions about how to access the e-textbook, and just I wanted to go over that and a couple navigations throughout the online course shell. If this is your first online class, there are plenty of resources. The CCC Online Library has more of these videos, but probably just this is just a quick update. So first things first, my mouse here is hovering over the MyLabs Plus. This is just the link to your online e-textbook. We don't have other assignments or things built into that for this class, but the first thing I'm going to do is click this. If you have pop-ups disabled, that would be a problem. So because this pops up as a separate tab. This is thinking right now, so I might I might try that again, but oh, it's coming up. Okay, so here is the course shell, and this tab along the left-hand side is really where you're going to be focused. I just click the e-text and chapter audio, and you can either listen to your e-text, which is a fun feature, or you can read the e-text. I'm just going to click the book, and that should open the e-book for you. And there are several readings kind of throughout the class, so just be consistent, be vigilant. This is a fast track course, so staying on top of readings is a big part of student success. Let's see, it is a little slow, so my apologies here, but that normally goes a lot faster. While that's loading up, it is a second page, and this is just where your ebook kind of comes in. I'm just going to go back to the home page. So here's our home page, and we can talk about a few other things. Mainly your assignments tab and your discussions tab. The assignments used to be called Dropbox, but it is now just labeled assignments, just keeping it simple. Nothing really has changed there. That's where you're going to submit your Dropbox, anything that you would submit to a Dropbox, which is an essay or a paper. Your final will go there. Oh no! Let me get back to that. Wow. So my internet is super slow today, but here, sorry about that with the video. But that might be your experience as well. Just high volumes at the beginning of the semester. Sometimes courses are like that. So the first assignment here is going to be our Module 1 essay, and that's Principles of Design, kind of focusing on the artwork of Jacob Lawrence. And this is the first real assignment that we have for the end of the week. All of our Dropbox assignments are going to be due at the end of the week on Saturdays. So just keep that in mind. And this probably isn't your view, but to upload your file, you're just going to add a file. This is my teacher view, so sorry about that. But this is where all of the files go. Those are called submissions. And I can look through and leave feedback directly onto your papers. So look for that after probably 2 days after you've submitted, or after the deadline. That's my big goal, to have have grades in and feedback. So I try to be pretty quick on the turnaround. Quizzes, those are also due at the end of the week, and something to keep up with. They're much less in terms of points than the Dropbox assignments and the discussions, but that's where you'll find quizzes. If I go to discussions, this is a big part of the course. If we don't participate fully in discussions, we're really leaving points on the table. And I want you to be successful in this class, and a big part of that is being active and engaged with whatever topic we're talking about. So your discussions tab is helpful for that. In here we have a virtual cafe, or a way to ask questions or communicate with your peers outside of a discussion thread. If you don't understand the content or have technical issues, please use those tabs or email me directly. IT is a great resource, and they're available 24/7. So I'd highly recommend that they can work with you for specific troubleshooting issues with your settings. Right here, this is our getting to know you. That's what you're probably participating in right now. Right now, this is the only week we have 2 discussions at the same, well, sorry, we have one at the end as well, but this first one's ungraded, but it's a great get to know you. This is a graded discussion regarding just your personal response to art. What is it that makes art to you? And what isn't art? And it's a good way to get a feel for what our motives and biases are, and kind of track how those change over the semester. We rarely will be the same when we learn something. So yeah, that's just kind of part of it. Be sure to read kind of the directions and try to follow those to the best of your ability. In here it says don't list art, or don't make a list, but write out more of your own personal definitions. If you're at all unsure, online environments really do well with over-explanation than under-explanation. Just like you can't get tone in when you're writing, unless you're using all caps. Please don't do that. But just like tone in a conversation, you kind of have to write that in as far as content. Let's see. Other things. There's a big thing here under content as far as just your syllabus and your course schedule. Those are both really important to keep up with the class. You've really got to turn things in on time. I'm not accepting late work, and that's in terms of discussions and quizzes and the paper assignments. I want to say Dropbox, but it's just your assignments, your essays. So really be on top of that. If this were loading faster, it'd be a lot easier just to kind of point at these things. But those are there for you. I've got the little clicky wheel of the internet's thinking. There's a couple more tools over here in the More Tools, and one of those is rubrics. Use rubrics for both discussion and essays to see what I'm looking for and what I have to grade by. Those are ways to be successful in general. So yeah, I want you to be the best student you can be so I can be the best teacher I can be, and I want you to be successful. So if you have questions or need any assistance, please ask me, or I'm here for you and your success. So yeah, best of luck this semester. I look forward to talking a little bit more about this kind of what is art with you. This is exciting. And yeah, stay in touch. I'll try to do these more often and hopefully with faster internet speeds. Thanks.